What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Christmas Eve. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your Christmas, or happy holidays to be politically correct. I wanted to talk about, if you live in the north and you got snow like me, how do you wash your car when your faucets are frozen outside? Well, it's called a rinseless wash. Maybe it's a process you're familiar with. Maybe it's not. I wanted to try to go over it just to, fill you guys in. Maybe you didn't know. My car's not super dirty. It's honestly from the T56 Magnum install. Really fucking hard. I got a video on that coming. I've only kind of moved it in and out of the garage a little bit, but I really like how it feels so far. Anyways, we had to do some grinding of the aluminum case, and I'm pretty sure there's some fragments on the car a little bit. Plus, we got some fingerprints and some dust, and I just didn't feel right throwing the cover back on it before doing a quick rinseless wash. So I thought I'd go ahead and just show you the process. My best friend Dan's coming over in a little bit, and we'll go over the process. I like to start with the Ego blower. If you guys don't have one of these, this is your best friend, man. This is the 56 volt. I think this is the 530 CFM one. This is the baby one. I think the 580 is the better one to get, but I didn't know it at the time. I use this to dry my car off. Today we're going to use that first to blow the car off. Normally we wouldn't do that step, but my concern is if there's some metallic dust or fragments of aluminum that I just don't see, I'd like to blow them off before starting the process. But to do this entire process, all you really need, 3 or 4 regular microfibers, nothing fancy, a gallon or so of water. This is literally a little cooler I use when I go fishing to bring water, of course, right? Water. And this is detail juice. This is from Gary Dean. He's a great friend of mine. I bought a lot of car detailing supplies from him. I'll show you the process. It's really easy, especially, like I said, if you're up in the north, you don't have a faucet. All you need is a little bit of water from the sink, a spray bottle, and a couple of microfibers to get it done. So here we go. So step 1, we're going to prepare the rinseless bucket here. You just read the directions. It's really pretty simple. 1 capful per gallon of water. So we'll just throw about a capful in here. Just a touch more. Yeah. There you go. That's pretty simple. You take your microfibers. I like to pre-fold them in half, and again in a quarter. Just throw them in the bucket. Make sure we move the solution around. Just let them sit there. Then I got a standard, this is a very standard waffle weave towel. We'll put this to the side for now. We're going to use that in a minute. And like I said, we're just going to take this Ego blower here, and we're just going to go ahead and spray the car down. Ready? So that's really step 1. We got the car sprayed off, and we got the soak bucket ready, and this is step 2. So Dan's here. We're just going to get on to, oh, hello Dan. Here you go. Dan, you can film if you want. You just take your detail juice. This is a little bit heavier concentrate, and you're just going to kind of go panel at a time here. Soak the panel. You don't take one of your rags out, fold it, and then just in straight lines, back and forth, you just, now if your car was really dirty, you would want to keep flipping it over and make sure you don't want to use the same dirty part twice. But like I said, my car is not super filthy. It's honestly just more dusty and fingerprints. Then you just hit it with your waffle weave at the end. And that panel's done. It's really that simple. And if you're lucky and you have a friend over and he can do the drying, hello Dan, if he does the drying and you do the washing, you can get the whole car done in like 5 minutes. So here you go, sir. So I wanted to demonstrate the drying off. So got the car wet, and I don't know about you, but drying cars is probably my least favorite task. This gets done a lot easier. So we might upgrade to that. So car is, all the panels are done. We're just finalizing up the drying process. You can do this. I've seen people do this process when the car is really dirty. And that makes me a little bit nervous. But like I said, your Cobra is probably not that dirty anyways. I do have my California car cover. Honestly, I just threw it through the wash because I'm sure that had some dust and some grime on it. So that's really it. That's a really simple way you can wash your own car in your garage with only using 1 gallon of water, no faucets. It's pretty simple. So I like the Rinseless. It really works for me. And that's about it, guys. Gonna get it away, and springtime can't come soon enough. Thanks, guys. Have a great Christmas.